On Afghanistan, I shared my assessment with the Foreign Secretary of the evolving situation, and we are both hoping that they evolve in the right direction, the direction of peace and stability. You want that, I want that, the region wants that, the world wants that. And so we are in this partnership for peace. I also shared what, in our view, should be the way forward. And I am happy to share that there's a convergence on the steps that need to be taken in the days ahead.
The basis of the UK-Pakistan relationship is very strong. And like His Excellency, the UK has desire, the will, and to take it to the next level. We also have very clear and shared interests in the future of Afghanistan. As for the UK, we're very mindful of the situation for Afghanistan's neighbours. We will be shouldering our humanitarian responsibilities. We've increased our aid budget for Afghanistan this year to £286 million, and we will also be supporting those countries who face the greatest demands for those who may be displaced in the weeks ahead.